Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today is Earth Day. On this day, we pledge to protect our earth and make her more happier and a prosperous place to live in. So let's get started. Here I am going to draw a girl holding our Mother Earth. For that, I'm going to draw her eyes first. For that, I'm drawing two circles like this. And we are just giving it some cartoon illustration like look, as we have to show the greenery. So I'm going to make flower like petals around her eye. Okay. Now start drawing the head and the face. Isn't it cute? Let's draw the hair. The other side also. Here at the front, or you can say on the forehead. Okay. This is the collar of her dress. Arms. And her hands. Now we'll draw our Mother Earth in her cute baby hands. Because we know that future of earth is in our kids' hands. So it's depicting that today's kids are future for our earth. Okay. Okay, so our Earth Day special art drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. Okay, so we have colored our Mother Earth here, only Mother Earth, to highlight that this is an Earth Day project. That's why we colored only Earth. So now I am going to make a dialog box here in which that cute little girl is saying, I love my Mother Earth. Okay, and here, happy Earth Day. So now I'm making some flowers here to make it more complete in itself. Okay, so our Earth Day drawing is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.